In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What if you are given an option that will you like to steer clear of all the things, all the works, all the people you dislike, you hate, you don't want to be with, you don't want to interact? What will be your reaction? What will you like to say? Everybody, everybody, not only you, will be very happy, and very happy indeed. That okay, I don't want to do the things which I don't like. I don't want to interact the people I don't like. I don't want to take the unpleasant and difficult things and the people. I want to avoid. Everybody wants it. But the question is that is it feasible? Is it possible? The straight answer is that it is not feasible, not possible. No one, no one on earth. We are quite an ordinary human being. We are the commoners. Even the special people, even the important people, even the very important people, they too, they too cannot avoid the things they don't like, cannot avoid the people they don't like, cannot avoid the thing works which they don't like. Even they have to deal, they have to interact with all the things with many of the things they don't like. If this be the case, what to do then? If this be the case, then what to do? What to do? Keep praying that, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, protect me from the things I don't like, and protect me from the works which I don't like, protect me from the people I don't like. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please help me. We can keep praying, and keep praying. But even Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not give this opportunity to anyone else at all. Because we are being governed by the laws of nature, and that these laws of nature were created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we are governed by these laws, and these laws does not allow anybody to have a life which is free of trouble, free of problems, free of the difficult thing, free of the unwanted people. Not possible. Then what are the other options? Yes, we are going to the last and the final stage of our discussion now. The best option for us is that we should start liking these things. The things we don't like, the people we don't like, the works we don't like. Let's start liking them. Let's start enjoying them. Let's start taking the best out of these things, the best we can. Let's change our attitude, because the world is not going to change, because human nature is not going to change, because the people are not going to change. What can be changed, what is going to be changed, and what can be changed is that we ourselves can change our attitudes, our thinking pattern. Our attitudes can be changed by whom? By we ourselves. And let's start working here. If at all we are working on the things which are out of our control, there is no use of this thing at all. But contrary to that, if at all we do start working upon the things, upon the things which are under our control, which can be done by we ourselves. So why not to prefer this thing? I think that we should start working upon this thing. We should start changing ourselves. We should start changing our thinking, our attitude. We should start changing our own behavior. And what sort of changes are needed here? The kind of changes which are needed here is that let's start liking those things. Let's start liking those people. Let's start liking those situations. Let's start liking those things and works. This is what we can. And but the question is, what will come out of this, what will be the benefit of this attitude? The benefit of this attitude will be that we will not be staying unhappy, and we will come out of the mental stress, and we will become very effective. Now, as far these things are concerned, as far these works and people are concerned, we will be far better able, we will be able far better to deal with these things. We will develop, we will be automatically developing our capability and our skills. We will be automatically developing our skills to manage these difficult problems and peoples. This is what is going to happen. Is it bad? By the way, it is very useful and very useful indeed, that now we are not afraid anymore. We are not afraid anymore. We are not panicked anymore. This will be the outcome of that. We will take it relatively lightly, and we will be taking upon it in a confident manner. In a confident, we will be taking upon these things in a confident manner. This is what is going to happen out of the new attitude we are trying to adopt. Out of the new attitude we do have to adopt, this is the result of that. We will not be nervous anymore. We will not be panicked anymore. We will not be upset anymore. Anytime a difficult thing arrives, we should be happy. We should rather celebrate, and we should be very happy. We should start taking it. We should, as a challenge, as a capability and confidence developing exercise. We should start taking it as a capability developing exercise, as a confidence developing exercise. This is what we can take out of those things. Now, according to the new style, new lifestyle, according to the new attitude, we do have to like these things. We do have to rather prefer these things. Keep aside all the things, keep aside all the things which are going to give us the happiness or the comfort. Let's do not prefer them. Keep all those people and all those works and all those things at the end. And we should do whatever is the challenging thing, whatever is the relatively difficult thing, whatever is the relatively unpleasant thing, and let's start working upon it. Rather, let us tell ourselves that from now onward, as far the my favorite things are concerned, I shall be delegating it, and I shall be outsourcing it. I shall try to outsource all the things which I don't like. And as far these things are concerned, I shall be outsourcing. I shall be sourcing. I shall be delegating the things which I like and which I love, and those, as far those things are concerned, which I don't like, which I was not liking earlier, which I don't prefer, which I don't like, which I don't feel happy while doing, we should start doing it, and we should start feeling happiness out of it. And we should start feeling content and confident now, because we are dealing the things and the works and the people which were considered challenging for me earlier. I used to consider these things as something very challenging, but now I don't consider these things as something challenging. Rather, I am taking those things as something which I don't like, which I do like, and the things which I do prefer, and do prefer the most. And either the lovable and the desirable things should be, now actually the desirable things have been changed, and the undesirables have become the desirable, and the undesirable has become desirable, and the desirable has become undesirable. We have just changed. Why did we change? We did change because we wanted to become confident enough, because we didn't like to, we were not enjoying when we used to panic, when we used to get nervous, we were not enjoying. Now, once we have changed our attitude, and now from now onward, we are preferring all the difficult, the challenging, and the unpleasant things. Rather, we have decided, and we shall prefer to outsource. We shall prefer to outsource. We shall prefer to delegate the things which I used to like, which I used to love rather. So this is all. This sort of change is needed actually, and let me tell you, let me assure you that this one change alone, this one change alone will make me a much stronger person. Do you want to become a strong person? Who else don't want to become a strong person? Don't every no one like to become a weak person. No one like to become a weak person at all. Everybody want to become a strong person. And if at all we do want to become a strong human being, if at all we do want to become a strong person, so as far our today's lecture, as far our today's discussion is concerned, I think it is by far the most effective, one of the most effective idea explained by me. I think so. For enhancing the confidence, for enhancing the strength, we want to become a strong human being. I think this is the best attitude, and it is the attitude actually which are either making us a strong human being or making us a weak human being. We have discovered a new attitude, which is a very good one, and which will inshallah keep benefiting us throughout our life. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.